how to make brush rotate. First of all, this can be really right here. So what we're gonna start to see, this can be really important to know and satisfy with the important levels that we want. So what we're gonna do is about we right now to start to open brush editor to go to rotation section. So we click on the brush editor right here. Now we go for what we're gonna see and exactly to set up a drawing angle, still stylus with a title support, I think. So we have to adjust strings and curve of the rotation response. So we can start to right click. Okay, maybe we click on the icon which is ready. So this can be really starting with a brush editor. Then you can start to go for rotation or ratio, and okay, rotation is really have difference between it and the ratio. So I think it's still something that I don't know about it. You can read this, you can start to see another video because my rotation about this explanation is still not accurate actually. So that's it all about